Our time in Singapore was short but enjoyable. Today we're heading to Bangkok, but before we go, we couldn't miss visiting the famous jewel at Changi Airport. To make sure we have enough time to explore it, we're heading to the airport early. Okay, we just got to the hotel. We're at the Doubletree in Sukhumvit Soi 2. Sukhumvit 12 Soi 2. So we just got out of a cab. It took 2 hours from the airport, which was ridiculous. I fell asleep in the cab. Bangkok's traffic is ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. So it took us 2 hours essentially to fly from Singapore to Bangkok, and then it took us 2 hours from Bangkok's airport to our hotel. So that's where we're at right now. We just got a bucket of beers as an add-on to our room stay. So we're gonna crack those open. I think we've earned it. And they have a live performance downstairs tonight from 6 to 8. So we're gonna go down there and enjoy the music as well. So just want to give you guys a little update how ridiculous the traffic is here in Bangkok.
So today it's about 11:30 a.m. We woke up, had coffee, and then went to the gym, and then got ready. So right now 11:30, we're just about to head out. We're going to SOOKSIAM, which is a underground food court in ICONSIAM, which is like a huge mall. We're really excited actually about getting there because we will be taking the train plus the Sky train, and then we will be taking the ferry. We're gonna hang out for a little bit there, have some food, and then come back and get ready for our dinner tonight. Where are we going tonight?
Tonight we're going to a rooftop called Vanilla Sky. So it's, it's subjective. There's an article we were reading earlier today, and it's ranked as the number 6 best rooftop bar lounge experience in Bangkok. So we're really excited. We booked this kind of in advance. So if you do decide to want to go there, you definitely want to book in advance. But it's more of like a Spanish, Peruvian style interpretation of food, and then they have really good drink cocktails on the menu, spicy if you like spicy. But yeah, it's going to be a good day. We're excited to show you guys, our day. So So be careful with the ferries over to ICONSIAM. We were swayed by some eager gentlemen offering a private ferry to ICONSIAM for 250 baht per person. Being excited and unfamiliar with the city, we agreed only later to discover the official ICONSIAM ferry nearby, which was much cheaper. We ended up taking the official ferry back, but should you take this method of travel over to ICONSIAM, Make sure you take a look at the signs for ICONSIAM Ferry to avoid overpaying. SOOKSIAM is a vibrant cultural marketplace that beautifully showcases the diverse heritage, traditions, and cuisine of Thailand's 4 regions: North, Northeast, Central, and South.
Ripe. It's good. It's ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have one of these?
This place is a haven for food lovers with numerous stalls serving authentic Thai dishes, snacks, and desserts. From khao soi to sweet mango sticky rice, there's something for every palate. This place is designed as an interactive culture experience, blending the feel of a traditional Thai floating market with a modern touch.
What is it? Your first khao soi?
Yep. So deep flavors. Ironically, the last stop of the day had nothing to do with Thailand, and although we were extremely full, we had to try this ramen place, so we split a ramen bowl. We're actually glad we stopped in here. This ramen was surprisingly excellent.
So what I got is one of my favorite fruit. This is jackfruit. And it kind of looks like durian. Sometimes, you know, people confuse it for durian, but it's completely different. It doesn't smell bad. It's one of my favorite fruits. It's a tropical fruit, so it's really hard to come by in America. So this size right here was only 69 baht. And then also my other favorite fruit, if not my favorite fruit, is mangosteens. So I got this from the same place. So there is this marketplace in SOOKSIAM, and I think it's called Dear Tummy. They sell a bunch of delicious looking fruit. So yeah, I picked up 2 of my favorites, and I can't wait to have Kyle try because he's never tried these before. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. Vanilla Sky Rooftop Bar is located on the 35th floor of the Skyview Hotel and offers a 360-degree view of Bangkok's skyline. With sleek decor, an open-air terrace, and creative cocktails crafted by expert mixologists, it combines luxury with a relaxed vibe. Live DJs add to the energy, making it perfect for a romantic evening, a fun night out, or simply unwinding with the stunning city views. Unfortunately, we accidentally deleted all of our footage from this day, so the only clips we have are from our phones. That said, on our last full day in Bangkok, we continued exploring the city's amazing food scene. Given Bangkok's love of malls and the incredible food they offer, we decided to visit Central Embassy Mall to hit up Eathai for lunch. Eathai, often described as the gastronomic journey through Thailand, is an upscale food court offering a selection of authentic Thai dishes from all 4 regions: northern, northeastern, central, and southern, making it a must-visit for food enthusiasts. Guests use a card to track purchases across the stalls that make for easy payment when you're done stuffing your face. This evening, we're headed to the renowned Yaowarat Night Market in Chinatown. This night market is iconic for its street food, and we highly recommend visiting in the evening when the street transforms into a bustling food market with endless stalls. This dish is grilled octopus with chili, and I had some great footage of Neek trying it. Neek's spice tolerance is incredible, but this dish truly tested her limits. I wish I could show you just how much crying and sweating it caused her. And that wraps up 2 full days in Bangkok. I linked all the places we went to in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back soon as we will be heading to Chiang Mai for our next adventure.